Hi guys, welcome to Luke Ecker's Woodworking. I'm Luke Ecker, and today we're learning how to use a table saw as a joiner. Let's get started. So when you joint a piece of wood, you usually joint the face to get it flat, or you joint the edge to get it flat. And now I'm showing you how to use a table saw as a joiner. Now what you do is a joiner cuts the high spots first, and then it cuts the whole length of the board. Because the board is like this, then it can't cut the whole thing because it'll be taking too much off at one time. So you want to set your fence, see how the board slides in there, and now it's just going to take the high spots off in the middle. And the reason why you want to take little passes is because then it will bind and then you'll have a good chance of kickback. And you don't have a straight edge right here. That just a little high spot. Now what you do is you move your fence, just give it a couple taps, just give it not even a millimeter over, and go again. Keep doing it until you get the whole board straight. There's a lot of high spots in the middle, so you're going to have to keep doing this a lot. Now, it's coming along. Now this next pass should take the whole thing. Now you have a perfectly flat edge to use as right here, so you can rip off. Now we're going to take the high spots down here and have two sides parallel. If you notice, I'm only taking a half a blade width off at a time, so don't take too much off. And now I have two parallel straight boards, or straight sides. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Be sure to check out my Instagram page. It's Luke Ecker's Woodworking, and I'll see you guys next time.